What's up guys, my name is Daniel. I draw cars and turn them into 3D prints using HueForge, and I also do HueForge tutorials for all of you. With the release of the brand new plugins FlatForge and HugeForge, I think it's really important to make a tutorial video to show you guys how you can install these plugins really easily. I didn't have a tutorial video for both of these plugins on day one because honestly we've had a lot of changes on them in the last 2 weeks, and we had 3D Printopia this past weekend just before release, so I didn't want to make a video on the beta version of these plugins. I wanted to wait for the full release to show you guys how they work and how to use them. Today's video is going to be strictly how to install them on Windows and Mac, and in the future I will do a dedicated video for FlatForge as well as HugeForge. So with that, let's get into today's video. So this page should look familiar to you. You'll need to log into your account up here, and then once you have logged in, we can come to the Buy tab and you will be able to purchase HueForge or the plugin. I'm assuming that you already have HueForge, but if you don't, you'll be able to buy it here. Let's go to the plugins page. Once we're in the plugins page, you can see that right now we have HugeForge and we have FlatForge. FlatForge for the time being is $15 until after Cyber Monday, if I'm not mistaken, and HugeForge is $0. Now, you will have to purchase both of these, even though this is $0. You'll still have to purchase HugeForge, and in the future, as more plugins get added to this, whether they're free or paid, you will be able to find them here and purchase them. Once you have purchased your plugins and you have purchased HueForge, you will need to come up to your account. Here you will see your orders. It'll say completed for both of your plugins, and it will have this download link. If we click on the download link, here you will be able to download for either Mac OS or Windows, and in the future Linux as well. So here, if you're on Mac, download the Mac OS version. If you're on Windows, download the Windows version. Now, for some people, you may not have the most updated version of HueForge. If we come back to our orders page, you'll be able to scroll down to where you purchased your HueForge license. And from here, right now we are in 0.9.2 with the introduction of plugins. This is where you can download the Windows version or the Mac OS version. Again, Linux version will be out soon. You will need 0.9.2 for plugins, and this is where you'll download updates from here on out. So let's go ahead and download our 0.9.2. I have a folder dedicated to all of my HueForge releases, so this is where I will be saving mine. Yours may be different. So we will go ahead and save the zip file in here. Once again, we'll go back to purchases and we will go ahead and download our zip files for the new plugins. So now we will need to extract all of the files that are in 0.9.2, and I will just extract them to this folder. You can see that here. If we come in, this is where our HueForge exe is. In Windows, once we click on this, it should bring us to HueForge. So you can see up here, we have our new plugins, and here we have install plugin and remove plugin. Now, if we go to install plugin, we will need to navigate back to wherever you saved your plugins, wherever you saved your zip files, and we'll actually be able to click on each individual one. So for now, we're going to click on FlatForge plugin. The installer will extract all the files for you, so you don't have to unzip the plugins, and you will be good to go. Now, if we come up here to plugins, you can see that Flat Tools are now here for FlatForge and FlatFill. And again, we'll go up to install plugins, and we will go find our HugeForge plugin. And here we go. All we have to do is click on the zip file. We open it. It will extract it. And here you can see it says that it has been installed and loaded. And if we come back up here to plugins, you can see that now we have tiled prints. Now I've loaded an image so that we can see whenever we click on plugins and we go to Flat Tools, when we click on FlatForge, it will have a new UI for FlatForge. And again, I will go over what all of these buttons do and how this plugin works in the future. But I just wanted to show you that it does work. And if we come over to plugins, we can go to tiled prints. Same thing. I will show you again in a future video on how this works. And but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how to install it on Windows at least. And now we will move over to Mac. It's basically the same process, but there's a couple things that I wanted to show you. So now that we have our plugins downloaded and our new version of HueForge downloaded, here's something that may happen on Mac OS, depending on what kind of settings you have turned on. It will unzip automatically, and if that's the case, you will need to right click on it or double tap on your trackpad, and you will need to compress it down to zip it up again, and here you should have no issues afterwards. So now that we're in HueForge, let's go up to plugins. We will install a plugin. If we come back over to our desktop and we go to plugins, you can see here that we have that zip file. If we open it up, It will load successfully, no issues. And now we have our flat tools. We will do the same thing. We come up here to install plugin. We'll go to desktop, we'll go to plugins, and we will go to HueForge this time. Now our plugins have been successfully installed and loaded. Let's come up here to browse projects. I will import a project that I've already done. You can come up here to plugins. We will go to flat fill this time. Just generating our meshes, and you can see here that we are good to go. So now you know how to install plugins on Windows and Mac, and that should be everything that you need to know to get started with HueForge and FlatForge, as well as the new flat fill. And with that, we are done with today's video. I hope that this video has helped you figure out how you can install those brand new plugins that you have purchased. Again, I will have individual videos for FlatForge and HueForge coming out very, very soon. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. A huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. I really appreciate you guys, and without you, this video would not have been possible. And with that, I hope you learned something.